Hi guys, have you ever heard of print on demand? If you're wondering, let me give you a clue. Haven't you seen fancy t-shirts with your favorite quotes or maybe your favorite actor's picture on that t-shirt? Well, I'm sure you must have seen something of this sort. Print on demand is something that is slowly climbing the stairs nowadays. Print on demand or on-demand printing is an e-commerce model that allows you to sell customized products that are printed only after an order has been placed. But if you need someone to take care of the printing and its fulfillment process, you could sign up with a print-on-demand platform that cares about your needs. All you have to do is provide them with your designs. So let's see how exactly this POD works. The specific steps to run a print-on-demand business vary from one platform to another, but here are some general ways on how you can do so. Step number 1 is set your store. The very first step you will need before starting your own business is to set up your store. Now that can be done either through an online platform or at a marketplace. If you prefer going online, integrate your store to any print-on-demand platform of your choice and start selling from there. Now don't worry if you don't have an e-commerce website. You can choose a print-on-demand services that has a marketplace. They will collect your designs and sell your products on your behalf. Step number 2 is upload design. Now once you have set up your store, it's time to upload your designs and products where you want your design to be applied. And if you're doing all the print on demand process of designing and printing by yourself, then you can choose any product you want to buy, but when in collaboration with the print on demand site that does it for you, the list of products get limited. For example, you get to sell any product with your design as per your choice when done without any third party. But when you do it through a third party, things get done for their choice. The creative liberty is limited when you are doing it with or through a third party. Step number 3 is sell products. Now in continuation with what was said earlier, you can sell your products online if you have your own website by increasing the traffic of your site. But if you're doing it through another platform, then your provider will do the sales and marketing for you, though you can still share your work with your customers. Step number 4 is order. Your print-on-demand platform fulfills your order that when a customer places an order, the platform will print, package and ship it to your customer. But if you plan to do it yourself, you will have to do all these processes by yourself. So now that you know how it works, let's dive deep in. But before that, I am sure that you might want to know how to start. Here are some points that would help you while starting. Step number 1 is find your product. Finding your product can help you target more customers and boost your sales. For example, you need to ensure that your products have a broad reach. If you're aiming to sell among students, then t-shirts could be the best choice. For this, you will need to come up with trending designs popular among students. Step number 2 is always be ready. Once you have set your store, you will always have to be ready with your designs and products as per how it's done. Now, if you're not a skilled designer, you could use copyright-free designs to begin with or make it ideas from a professional designer. Once you are done with the designs, you need to update your product's catalog list if you have an e-commerce site and make sure that you do not run out of ideas. Step number 3 is find a supplier. After getting your store up and running, you will need to team up with a POD platform to get your products shipped or to print your designs. For this, you will need to find an ideal supplier which fits best in your budget. Step number 4 is promote your store. Promoting your products in your store is important to attract more audience. To do so, you will have to stay active on social media or you can join any forum group. Getting customer reviews and ratings is another strategy to elevate your store. Now with these points in mind, I'm sure you could be thinking about the best site. Do not worry, I've got it covered for you. Here are some top sites in India that provide all the salient features that one would need in this journey. At number 1, we have Printtrove. The site is all that you need except that it needs your designs, while the rest of it is all covered up. It has various products ranging from clothing to cups, mugs and more. It ships your products worldwide. At number 2, we have Quicking. This is another great POD platform that has many products like mouse pads, mobile covers, etc. At number 3, we have Vendorbot. This is a supplier service provider that prints your design on any product that you choose from their catalog and ships your product. At number 4, we have T-Labs. This is another platform that provides fast delivery and at an affordable price. At 5, we have Printship. The site provides all the features as other sites and it ships internationally. At 6, we have ePrintCare. Now this site prints only t-shirts and ships in India only. To know more about the terms and conditions of each of these sites, check them out using the link on the screen. There's much more and some startups that promote print on demand. Print on demand are linked in the description box. Check them out if you're interested. Let me summarize it by sharing its advantages that will make you confident enough to start one. Easy to start. Starting a POD platform is easy as it does not need any web designers. You can do all of that by yourself using free themes and designs that are available online. Low cost. Print on demand doesn't need any hefty investment like other businesses. All you need is an e-commerce store. Risk is limited. Now there is a minimum investment from your end as you will not be manufacturing and printing the products. You can experiment with your products and take considerable risk without worrying about losing money. Time. If your products are being supplied by the site you are enticed with, then you will get plenty of time to focus on your designs and promotions. Or if you have the responsibility of production and printing, then once done with it, you will get excess time to focus on new designs. No investor management. If you have a supplier, then you do not need any inventory as the supplier will handle all the production and logistics. You have to focus on creating new designs and keep up with the trend. And that's it, guys. If you are creative and have plans to start a business, I would say that on-demand printing will be your perfect partner. I hope that all the information shared above has been helpful to you, and I wish you all the best on your new journey. If this video has been helpful to you, please like, share and subscribe. And if you want to see more such videos, please do contribute to our Patreon page. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you next time.